Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another decluttering video. We are working off of this bingo card that I made to declutter and organize our rooms this month. I am also combining this with the Let's Get Organized Hop hosted by Karen Yeagle. And she allows us to pick whatever we are already organizing for the month and include it in the hop instead of having it themed, since everyone's working on different things. I do apologize. I've been really sick and hopefully I'm on the mend. So this video may not be too long. So we have been doing this card. It is available over on my Facebook group, or you can email me at the email address in the description and I can get this to you. This one is for the decluttering. I do have an organization one that I also did, since we're about to start on that part of it. That will be available the same way and over on the group. So if you are interested in this, definitely check it out. We have already accomplished a lot, but still don't have a bingo. I still don't have a bingo out of all of that. So we've done pens, pencils, markers, embellishments, cords and cables, ribbon, twine, floss, fabric, beads, sequins, glitter, electronics, machines, stickers, stamps, inks, mixed media supplies, containers, boxes, paper, washi, adhesive, wood veneer, and tools. So we've already cleaned out a lot. I know I have. Hope that you guys are enjoying playing along. I'm loving seeing all the pictures that y'all are posting over on the Facebook group of the things that you're cleaning out. So today we are going to do our metal dies. Now, it's hard for me to show you guys this because of the camera and how it has to be. But I've shown it before, that I have a rolling cart. And I just have these milk crates and these plastic sleeves that I got on Amazon. Y'all already saw these once this month whenever I showed y'all when I was decluttering my stamps. I store my dies in the exact same way, except instead of a cardstock sheet, I have a magnet sheet in it. And I actually don't have a magnet in all of them just because I ran out. So some of them's just in the sleeves, but I'm looking forward to organizing this. I don't really have them in any random order. I kind of have my flowers and leaves together. I have like my girls and my people together. This one's a lot of random shapes. On here, all 3 tiers, I have 6 milk crates, and this is all the metal dies that I have. My plan is I am keeping them just in this space, and that's going to be it. So if this cart gets full, then too bad. I'm going to have to clean some out and make room because I just don't want to take up more space for them. So we have been breaking this down. If you're new, hi. I normally don't sound so bad, but I hope that you will join us. For those of y'all that's been here, hey, y'all know. We are cleaning this stuff out and we're breaking it down into 10-minute chunks so that it doesn't become overwhelming. It's amazing how much you can get done in 10 minutes that you would never even think of. But it's doable. Sometimes if we have big collections, it's going to take a few 10-minute timers to get it done. So I have my 10-minute timer up here. If I can reach it. And it's going. Oh, let me unmute it so it'll go off. We can hear it. So I'm just going to start on one bin. That's probably all I'm going to have time to get through. And I'm just going to look and see if there's any that I don't want. Sometimes I got them, and some of these, honestly, I haven't even tried. Some of them were gifted to me. And they're just not my style. I just don't love them. Some of these, I just want a whole day just to sit down and go through my scraps and actually cut all these things out. That looks really cool. It was gifted to me. I've never used it. Look at that. Very, very detailed. And then I have another die stuck in the back of it. I don't know. I'm kind of iffy on it. It's just really not my style. Some of these I haven't tried. This one's going to be hard, and I have a feeling I'm not going to be letting a lot of stuff go. My space is pretty good. I still have one of these milk crates actually has my my embossing folders. It's an embossing folder bin that's also on here. So they're not all completely full of stamps. I mean dies. I don't even know what I'm talking about at this point, y'all. I feel so bad, but I didn't want to get behind on my videos. Some of these I know I will not use. Here's a little flower. Here's a little flower die border. I know I'm not going to use that. I'll let that go. That's a lot of work to make it the colors and all that stuff. I'm not going to do it. I lost my place. Let's see. But I have a lot of bins to go through, like I said. I might put some of these together and just see if I want to keep them. Like this one's a Temu die, and it's for Halloween. It has a ghost and it's a gnome. But look at all the little pieces. I'm trying to do it one-handed and hold my spot. Look at all those little pieces that would go on there. Yeah. You know what? I don't even think I want to try it. I'm going to let that go. I don't even know if I bought that. A lot of them I bought on there, and some of them were really small. Here's another one I'm going to let go. I got this pumpkin die on there, and I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, they're just really small. Like, here's my finger size comparison. So those are really small. That's my Harry Potter ones. This is apparently my holidays and Halloween. Like I said, I may go back on some of the. I know this one is going. I put two of these together because one of them was for a giveaway, and then I kept one. This haunted house, never again. All the pieces are there, and there's nothing wrong with it, but see if I can knock them down so you can see. You see all these little bitty tiny pieces? All the windows, all that stuff's all separate. Nope. Y'all always tell me I have the patience of a saint. Well, I didn't when it came to that. I got it done because I'd already started it, but I was like, nope, I'm never making another one again. I think I actually posted that on one of the groups. I was like, nope, never again. You know, some of these, I don't even know what they would be for. I think that one might be an envelope. I think this one's for a slide, to make a slide card. But what is this? Let's see if I can get it out. I need something. Here, I'm going to use this so I can stick it in there and hold my spot. Like some of these, I don't even know what they would be for. They came as like a kit thing. What is this for? It just came with like stuff like this. It was from Amazon. It was like a a mixed pack. I don't even know what that would be for, or I don't know. If y'all know, tell me. Like I said, I may go through and cut some of these things out. If I can't figure out what they are, I'm going to let them go. Okay, let's see what else I got here. All my music dies. It's my little cards, a camera, a backpack. That's my arty ones. You know, well, that one's a more simple one. My bows, tags. And then these ones are basic shapes pretty much. This one, I got two of them in there. I don't know. I might put that one together. I think this one I'm going to let go. This one was, I think, a Sizzix or a Ranger Tim Holtz something. It's like a travel one, and they all layer up to provide like a little scene of the car driving. And I never even put it together, and I'm really just not interested. That's all my circles. I use those a lot. I have this big one because I had some longer dies that wouldn't fit anywhere else. Here's an alphabet. I think I'll let this go. I haven't used it. And I do have a few other alphabets, but usually if I need an alphabet, I will cut it with my Cricut because it's so much faster than cutting individual letters. Okay, so we went through the first one. We still have 2.5 minutes left, so I'm just going to start looking through this side over here. This one mostly has my girls. If y'all been watching me for any length of time, you know I love them. And I have a wad of them. And then I have all my gnome stuff. This one's all my memory decks things. Look at these. Aren't they so cute? And most of the time I do print out pictures. I need to go back when I organize these. FYI, when we get to the organization part, it's going to be more than 10 minutes. The organization videos are going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to go about them a different way because what works for some people does not work for others. Our brains are different. Surprise! Our brains are different, and we think differently, and so therefore we need to organize differently. So the organization videos are going to be a little bit different, and they're going to be set up a little bit different. All of these are art girls that I'm going through here. I didn't realize I had so many. Wow, how did that happen? Look at these. I put them together one time. They're so cute though, and they're actually really good size. A little Raggedy Ann and Andy. Oh, I have all my Wizard of Oz dies here. My Harry Potter. Okay. Well, I better keep that one. I do have some Universal pictures left to do. I have a Bart and a Homer that I got, and I may end up letting it go. This one I will be cleaning out and letting go, but I have two different ones in here, but the little scarecrow guy, he has too many small pieces. I can't do it. Like I said, I'm going to be taking these out and organizing everything better, so whenever we get to that, I'm almost to the end. I think our timer's about to go off. Let's just make sure I don't have any more. That's my truck and my booths. Alright. Yay! So I went through 2 of these in 10 minutes. Turn that off. And I let go of some things. So here's what I let go of so far. An alphabet. And these dies. And all of these dies. So, of course, y'all will probably be seeing some of this stuff coming up in giveaways or as Happy Mail. I still have I still have 3 bins to go through. And then I have an embossing folder one. And I don't have many embossing folders. But yeah, so I would love to have you guys come over and join my Facebook group. It's in the description below. And you can check that out. You can come over and post pictures. I am doing Happy Mail drawings if you add pictures to the albums of the things that you're organizing and decluttering. We also have weekly challenges happening. And we do Zoom sometimes. So a fun time. I would love to have you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Definitely go and check out the list for the other ones playing along with the Let's Get Organized Hop and see what they're organizing this month. And until next time, bye y'all.